At Wilcox Door Service, Inc., we keep your business moving. From high-speed doors to loading docks, we ensure your facilities run safely and efficiently, with minimal downtime. We're more than just a service provider. We're your trusted partner. We understand the challenges you face: unplanned downtime, missed deadlines, and safety risks. When your doors or docks aren't working, your operations grind to a halt. That's why having a reliable partner is critical. At Wilcox, we offer fast, reliable service when you need it most. From emergency repairs to preventative maintenance, our expert technicians ensure your doors and docks stay operational and safe. We also leverage digital tools for remote support and proactive maintenance tracking. With a national reach and local care, Wilcox is your single point of contact for all your door and dock needs. Whether you have one facility or a network across North America, we provide consistent, reliable service to keep your business running smoothly. Our services include preventative maintenance, emergency repairs, safety and compliance checks, digital maintenance tracking. Whether you have one facility or a national network, we tailor our solutions to fit your needs. Our customers trust us to keep their facilities running smoothly. We've helped businesses across Canada and the US improve efficiency, reduce downtime, and stay compliant with safety regulations. Why choose Wilcox? Because we're more than a service provider. We're a partner who's committed to your success. With over 100 years of experience, we combine industry expertise with a family-owned, customer-focused approach. Ready to reduce downtime, improve safety, and streamline your operations? Partner with Wilcox Door Service, Inc. today. Contact us for a free consultation and see how we can keep your business moving.